How to play Spotify on multiple devices at the same time. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be covering the topic that says how to play Spotify on multiple devices at the same time. So here is the important truth. So a single Spotify account cannot stream different music on multiple devices at the same time. So if you try, Spotify will either pause one device automatically, but there are legit way to make it work depending on what you want. So with that, moving forward to the method number 1, that is to use Spotify Duo or Family. So here, this is the only real way to play Spotify on multiple devices at the same time. And how it works? So each person has their own Spotify account and everyone can listen to them simultaneously. And it works on phones, PCs, TVs, and speakers. So with that, what you can do is just try Spotify Duo Plan or Spotify Family Plan. And with that, all accounts must be linked under the same plan. And with that, moving forward to the method number 2, that is Spotify Jam. So if you want to play the song together, then what you can do is simply open the Spotify and play any song. And there, once you have played the song, then what you can do is just tap on the devices available, and after that you can simply tap on start a jam. And here, once you do that, you can simply invite others through the QR link, and everyone will listen together and sync. But you still can't play different music per devices. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.